Welcome to Tech Nest, where we explore the latest tech, test real performance, and simplify specs so you can make smarter tech choices. Today, we're diving into the Keychron Q6 wireless custom mechanical keyboard, a 100% full-sized keyboard designed for both productivity and enthusiast-level typing. By the way, I've added a link below where you can check the latest pricing and availability. This keyboard is built for versatility and performance. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and wired USB-C connections, giving you the freedom to switch between devices seamlessly. The Q6 features QMK firmware, meaning every key is fully programmable, and it supports hot-swappable Gateron Double-Rail magnetic switches, so you can customize the typing experience without soldering. The keyboard's rapid trigger technology ensures fast and responsive input, perfect for both gaming and professional typing tasks. If this breakdown is helping you, hit like so more people can find it. The Q6 comes in a carbon black finish, giving it a sleek, premium aesthetic that fits any setup. The keyboard also supports Mac and Windows layouts, making it flexible for multi-platform users. Build quality is solid, with an aluminum frame for durability, while the full 100% layout includes a dedicated numpad and function keys, ideal for work, coding, or gaming. RGB lighting and programmable macros add another layer of customization, letting you tailor both appearance and functionality in real-world use. The Keychron Q6 delivers highly satisfying tactile feedback, fast actuation, and full programmability, making it ideal for enthusiasts, developers, and gamers alike. Switching between Bluetooth, wired, and 2.4 GHz wireless is seamless, and hot-swappable switches let you experiment with different typing feels. Whether you're coding, gaming, or just typing up reports, this keyboard offers precision, comfort, and adaptability. Is this product really worth buying? Absolutely. For anyone who wants a high-performance, fully customizable mechanical keyboard with multiple connection options, hot-swappable switches, and QMK programmability, the Keychron Q6 is a standout choice. Why is it such a popular choice? Because it combines 100% full layout, hot-swappable Gateron switches, rapid trigger input, QMK programmable keys, multi-platform support, 2.4 GHz per Bluetooth per wired connectivity, and premium carbon black design, making it perfect for work, gaming, and enthusiast typing setups. Thanks for watching Tech Nest. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.